Hey, what's going on? My name is Mark Gibbons. You just opted into my website. I'm doing this video to let you know who the guy is behind the website. Also to expect a few emails from me. My name Mark Gibbons will be at the top of each email. I just wanted to briefly introduce myself before introducing you to my team. If you're watching this video, that means you are interested in learning how to make money from home. Now, one thing I have learned as a Christian entrepreneur is that no matter what the program is, because there are all sorts of programs out there, no matter what it is. Success online starts with 3 vital things. You need a product, program or service to sell. You need an automated marketing system to do the selling and telling for you. You need ongoing training and leadership. And once I found that leadership team for me, I started making money. I just plugged into the system, and walked in the footsteps. And duplicated what I was learning, and it is really just that simple. What you are going to do next is right below this video you have the opportunity to click the button below. It's going to take you over to the opportunity that I am currently working with. And that I will be able to show you how to take advantage of. And to hit whatever income goal that you are looking for. To ultimately change your life for the better. We have the program, the automated marketing system, and the training and leadership. All 3 are vital to make this thing work. A lot of people fail in home businesses only because they can't expose the business to enough people to get enough people who are interested to make money to make it successful. What we have here solves that. The link to explain everything is below this video. If this is something that you really want to learn the skill set, go ahead and click the button below. And I look forward to speaking to you soon.